Rajo detention kom abo tongthokjaknai kokya keboni bwkhao question tongwi mano 31 December 2025 sijokhon khairikha ke detention camp tamni bagi sanam eba detention camp bo sabono tonijaknai eba detention camp bo systematic no tui sanaka obo jeng truk khatini bujinai lenai ti illegal immigrant no India bo tamni bagi asuk India ni borok no important dia woi illegal immigrant ni bagi tamni bagi India wo important ka amno jeng truk khnai lenai kebo o channel subscribe jeke subscribe ri tondi fighting ke jeng video truk khnai lenai nadi India government announced the eligibility cut of the for applying under CAA has been extended for December 31, 2014 to December 31, 2024. Now, participate monitorees Hindus, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains, Paris, and Christian from Afghanistan, Bangladesh, and Pakistan who enter India or before that can stay in country the apply citizens even without valid document. Singoro naimangka tamo dormono to ye je 31 December 2024 khai rijaka especially Hindus, the Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains, Paris and Christian brongo to ye borok jodi no 2014 ni BCO bo jodi phaikyange borok no valid document chara no borok without valid by no borok o jagao CAA ni bagi borok apply khaimano hingke jara sabono detention camp toni jangnai detention camp obron toni jangnai je Nepal ni phai Afghanistan Pakistan abo hairok ni phai jodi visa bai phai jodi bongni visa jodi no expire angjak visa rok abo hairok jodi manjak ni borok detention camp dawai safely babi bongno graftar khaijakya safely babi borok no des teisa ro horjaknai hingkhe di India government nong tamni bagi India ni people no asuk carry khayawui illegal migrant no asuk support khlaiya obo ang nong no Wikipedia ni motabit nong nang kisa nainiano adi Bangladesh migrant according to India Union Home Minister there at as least 20 million illegal immigrants from Bangladesh living in India adi bortomano je 20 millions Bangladesh ni phai je tabuk India bisingo tongoi tongphai 20 millions bajanse wansukdi borok tamoni bagai support khaikya 20 million jodi borok ni saiti hapthanga ge 20 million jodi borok vote manthanga ge abo sarai sarke sabai sana nangya abo naidi ngite 2004 ni Sri Prakash Jaswal ni state Timothy hangke or around 12 million with 5.7 million is West Bengal alone West Bengal simino 5.7 million tong West Bengal tabuk tongnai kene di ajagabo ahino Trinamool Congress ajagabo Trinamool Congress ni je Mamata Banerjee bobo haino hai SIR po khainani riya hingkai bo illegal immigrant no support khaiman haike nukjago aboni bisingo no jeng saimana nango sini Indian ni borok no tamoni bagi borok asuk response ya ta illegal immigrant no besirbag response uitang aro jeng naike sarai ke saimano jeng tabuk detention camp khainan mani abono tui ekdom borok ni bwkhao question phaijak detention camp ang sakbaren saithaka detention camp bo borok no tongnai je Nepal Afghanistan Bhutan another state ni jodi phai visa bai phai jodi visa expire angjak jodi India bising manjak hingke borok safely babe detention camp bo toniwoi janjen state jo borok no return khlai rajaknai obongkha detention camp sanamani hingke naidi tekaisa Tripura ni kok sana thaki obono je illegal immigrant ni bagi je notification karirmani jeta aboni bagi andolon khabena abo kunu abo just borok no thangmani klaio 2014 ni 31 December 2014 ni simi 14 ni age je phainarok hingke je tabuk dorna 1971 ni simi 2014 jora phainarok no se age hingke CAA rimani tabuk hingke 31 December 2024 aboni bisingo je phainarok no se narak chenai mane illegal immigrant krikya India o mane totally joton Indian khairi bai chenai gebo samni phaidang nai abo bikita changwan chugnai tai abo jeta phaidang nai aborok no jeta illegal immigrant no je support khainarok borok no phaidang nai Tripura to taitam sanai Tripura to kesep ka no